Good morning students. Let us review in the previous class. In the previous class we have learned about the linear equation in one variable. Is it? So what is the definition of linear equation in one variable? The highest power of the variable is 1. Is it? The highest power of the variable is 1. A linear equation having only one variable and the highest power of the variable also 1 is called the linear equation in one variable. Okay, and we have solved more problems related to the linear equation. Okay, I hope you all understood that concept. Today we are going to see the related word problems. Let us start. Yes, word problems. Everyone know the algebraic word problems, is it? So what we do first, read the question carefully. After what we do, represent the unknown quantity by the variables. Okay, like x, y, z, like that. Okay, after form a linear equation with the help of given condition. Okay, with the help of given condition and solve the equation. Okay, right. Example 8. When 5 is added to 1/5 of a number, 5 is added to 1/5 of a number, the sum is equal to 4, less than 1/4 of that number. Less than the 1/4 of the number. Find the number. புரியல நினைக்கிறேன். அப்படிதானே? Listen பண்ணுங்க. When 5 is added to 1/5. 1/5 means 1/5 of a number. We didn't know that number. So what we do? We have consider x. Okay, unknown number we have as usual consider x. So 1/5 of x. Okay, 1/5 of a number. So 1/5 of a number. 1/5 into x. Okay, right. The sum is equal to, sum means SUM, the sum of the value is equal to less than the 1/4 of that number. So less than 1/4 means 1x/4. Less than means subtract. Okay, so first 1/5 of the number added with 5 and next one 1/4 of a number subtracted by 4. Okay, that is a given. So equating these two statements, we get the answer. We find out that value of x. Okay, right. Solution. Let the number be x. Okay. So first one, 1/5 of x is 1/5 into x. Okay, and then added to, is it? Added to 1/5 of x. So 1/5x. Okay, plus 5 added to 1/5 of x, and next one 1/4 of x is equal to 1/4x. Okay, so 1/4 of x is equal to 1/4x. Okay, then 4 less than 1/4. 4 less than 1/4 of x. So 1/4x minus 4. That's it. Now according to the condition, according to the statement. Okay, anyone. So x by 5 plus 5 equal to x by 4 minus 4. So we have arranged this term to here. So minus x by 4 here, minus 4 minus 5. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 4x minus 5x by 20 is equal to minus 9. Now multiply this value by this. So here minus x equal to minus 9 into 20. So minus 180. Okay, right. So x equal to 180. Minus minus plus. So x value is 180. Okay. The sum of the number, finally if you want check your answer, you have find out the verification. Okay. So need not to check that. If you want your answer is correct or not, you will check the answer. Okay. How can you verify? For this problem only I will do. Okay. Verify. X value was 180. X value was 180. What is the statement? X by 5 plus 5 is equal to x by 4 minus 4. Substitute 180 by 5 plus 5 is equal to 180 by 4 minus 4. Okay. So can you cancel 5 table? 5 3s are 15, 6 are 30. So 36 plus 5. Here 4 4s are 16, remaining 2, so 5s are, so 45 minus 4, here 41, here also 41. So your answer is correct. Okay, you will find the answer is correct or not, you will check like this. Okay, right. Now move to the example 9. The sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 12. The sum add. Okay. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 12. If the number formed by reversing the digit exceed the original number by 54, find the original number. Find the original number. So already you know that the number 10x. Okay, 10x plus c, 2-digit numbers, 10x plus y. Reversing number means 10y plus x. Okay, here the sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 12. Okay, so we have considered the ones place is x, the tens, then the digit of the tens place. We have here give it the digit of the 2-digit number is totally given 12. Okay, you have right. Let the digit in the ones place be x. Okay, and the digit of the 10th place, then the digit in the 10th place, what is given? 12. Okay, 12 minus x. 12 minus x. Okay, therefore the original number is equal to, how many can you write? 10, is it 10x, is it 10x plus the ones place we have considered, right, this is we have considered to y in எடுத்துக்கலாம். okay va, then the digit in the tens place is equal to y is equal to 12 minus x. okay, so 10y, substitute the value 10 into 12 minus x plus x. So multiply the terms, 120 minus 10x plus x. So 120 minus 9x. okay, so tens places we have considered 12 minus x. If the number formed by the revising digit exceed the original number by 54, find the original number. Find the original number. Already explained this method in another one of the method. You have followed any one of the method. okay, any one of the method, right? According to the condition, which are the values are equating, 9x. okay, so new number also we didn't find out, ma. okay, we have find out the new number. okay, here we have find out the new number. okay, the new number is equal to, so 10x, is it? This is the original number. We have changed 10x plus y. So what is the y value here? Plus 12 minus x. okay, so 9x plus 12, 9x plus 12 according to the condition. okay, right? What is the new number? The new number is formed a reversing number, is it? 9x plus 12 is equal to the original number. What is that? 120 minus 9x, okay, by 54 plus 54 exceed the original number. So which one is original? This one is original number. Exceed, add, okay, exceed 54. Now assemble 9x come to this end plus 9x. okay, here 120 plus 54 plus minus 12, plus 12 come to this side, minus 12. So 120, subtract this value, what we get? 2, 4. Add this values, 162, 18x. So x is equal to, cancel in 2 table, 9s are 8, 81. okay, 9 9s are 81. So x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Therefore, the original number be x, is it? The digit in the ones place we have find out. We have find out the tens place. So y equal to 12 minus x. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. So tens place is 3. Tens place is 3. Therefore, the original number is, what is the original number? 10y. What is the y value? 10y plus x, that is 10 n into y value was 3 plus 9. So 39. The original number is 39. okay, right? Now move to the example 10. Example 10. The father is 24 years older than his son. In 4 years, he will be thrice as old as his son. find their present age. Find their present age. Very simplest one. As I, the father is 24 years old than his son. Son விட எவ்வளோ ஏஜ் வந்து ஓல்டாக இருக்காங்கம்மா? 24 years. Okay, in 4 years he will be thrice as old as his son. Find their present age. So let the age be the son x. Let the age be, let the age of the son, okay, son be x years, okay, right. And then father's ages, the age of father be x plus 24. Why do you add? இவங்களை விட older add பண்ணணும், 24 வயசு கூட. Okay, so x plus 4 20 years. And next what is given? In 4 years he will be thrice as old as his son. Okay, so 4 வருஷம் கழிச்சு, so in 4 years, so after, okay, so after 4 years the age of the son is x plus 4 years. Okay, and the age of father is x plus 24 plus 4 years. So x plus 28 years. Okay, right. What is the condition? According to the condition, the father's age is it x plus 28 is equal to, okay, is equal to thrice the age of the son. So x plus 28 is equal to 3x plus 12. So x move to that side. So 2x, 28 minus 12, 16 is equal to 2x. Okay, 8. So x equal to 8. So the son age is 8. X plus 24 is equal to 8 plus 24 is equal to 32 years. Okay, thus the age of the present age of son is equal to 8. Son is 8 years. The present age of father is 32 years. Right. Now see the next example 11. The numerator of a fraction is 3 less than its denominator. So numerator of a fraction is 3 less than its denominator. So we have considered the denominator as x. So less than 3 means x minus 3. Okay. If the denominator is increased by 5. So denominator increase. So plus 5. Okay. Plus 5. And the numerator by 2. So denominator வந்து 5 increase ஆகுது. So x plus 5 at the same time, okay, the numerator by 2. Numerator also increased by 2. Then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. The calculations equating to becomes gives is means what we do, equating to 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. 11. let the denominator, okay, is x, okay. The numerator of the fraction is 3 less than the denominator. So இதில இருந்து 3 கம்மியா இருக்குது, less than, okay. So denominator, the numerator is x minus 3. Numerator is x minus 3 given, okay. And then fraction, what is the fraction? Numerator by denominator, so x minus 3 by x, okay. So that is a fraction is equal to x minus 3 by x. Next, according to the condition, so what is given? If the denominator, what is the denominator value? X, is it? The denominator is increased by 5. So denominator value x is increased by 5, okay, is increased by 5, and the numerator by 2. What is the numerator value? X minus 3. Numerator increased by 2, so added with 2, okay, is equal to, becomes 1 by 2, becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Now just multiply, cross multiply. So 2x minus 3 plus 2 is equal to x plus 5, okay. So 2x minus 6 plus 2 is equal to x plus 5, okay. So simplify the variables. 2x minus x is equal to 5. Here minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 come to the side, plus 4. Here x equal to 9. So the denominator value was 6. Sorry, 9. Denominator value was 9. Okay. Now find the numerator. Now find the numerator. So what is the numerator value? Four plus 2, what is that value? Each term multiplicated, okay. So 2 2s are here 4, okay, right. Here minus 2 come to the side, plus 2. So answer is 7, okay, right. Here the denominator value move to here, the numerator, so product of this whole value, okay. So 2 multiplicated first this term, after multiply with this term, okay. So 2 2s are 4. Here x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. The fraction, therefore the fraction 7. The numerator value is x minus, is it? X minus 3 by x. Therefore 7 minus 3 by 7. So 4 by 7 is the fraction. 4 by 7 is the fraction. Okay. Now move to the next one. Example 12. The length of the rectangle is 9 cm more than the breadth. More than the breadth. If the length, அதை விட அதிகமாக இருக்குது, இதை விட breadth, length, okay வாமா? So breadthங்கிறத xன்னு எடுத்துக்குவோம், length அப்போ என்ன வரும்? L is equal to x plus 9, okay. If the length and breadth are each increased by, ரெண்டுமே increased ஆகுது by 3 cm, the area of the new rectangle become 84. லென்த்தும் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது, ரெண்டுமே என்ன ஆகுதுமா இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ த ஏரியா ஆஃப் த நியூ ரெக்டாங்கிள் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்கே பாருங்கள் இப்படி இருக்கு. ஓகே, எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகுதுமா இன்க்ரீஸ்ட் ஆகுது. அப்போ வி கெட் another one of the rectangle. ஓகே, another one of the rectangle. More than that, new rectangle become 84 centimeter. More than that the original விட அதிகமாக இருக்குது. Find the length and breadth of the given rectangle. அப்படின்னா ஒரிஜினல் ரெக்டாங்கிள் எவ்வளவு அப்படிங்கிறத தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So solution given. Okay, so breadth, let the length of the rectangle is 9 centimeter, more than the breadth. Okay, so given L is equal to x plus 9 centimeter. X plus 9 centimeter. Here let the breadth. Okay, let the breadth be of the given rectangle bx. Okay, so breadth we have considered x. So length is, if the length of the rectangle is 9 centimeter, more than its breadth. Breadth விட எவ்வளோ இருக்குது? So breadth we have considered x, so x plus 9. Okay, x plus 9 centimeter. So what is the formula for area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equal to L into B square units. L into B square units. So what is the L value here? X plus 9 into B. B value is x. B value is x. Okay, right. So which unit is given? Centimeter. So centimeter square. Now multiply x into x squared plus 9x centimeter square. So area of the rectangle is equal to x square plus 9x centimeter square. Now new breadth, is it? So the first breadth, the original breadth we have considered x. New breadth, okay, new breadth is equal to x plus 3, and then new length is equal to x plus 9. Okay, x plus 9 plus 3. So that is x plus 12 centimeter. X plus 12 centimeter. Okay. So what is the condition is given? The area of the new rectangle become 84 centimeter more than the original. So area of the new rectangle. Okay, area of the original rectangle, what is the value? X square plus 9x. The new rectangle, what is the L value here? X plus 3. Is it? This is a new rectangle's values. So length is x plus 12 into x plus 3 centimeter square. Okay, according to the condition. So what is the statement is given? The area of the new rectangle become 84 centimeter more than that the original rectangle. Find the length and breadth of the given. That is the original rectangle. So what we do? The new rectangle and enna senjiralama? This is a new rectangle. This is a original rectangle. Subtract this by this, equating to 84, we get the answer. Okay. So எவ்வளவு increase ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா அதோட length and breadth என்ன? Find the length and breadth. Okay. So area of new rectangle minus area of the original. This is the original one, is it? Original rectangle is equal to what is given, 84 centimeter square. Okay. So new rectangle value is x plus 12 into x plus 3. Okay. Minus area of the original, x squared plus 9x equal to 84. Now multiply by each term. So x squared plus 3x plus 12x plus 12 3s are 36 minus each term multiplied by minus. So x squared minus 9x is equal to 84. Now simplify the like terms. So x square minus x square cancel. 3x plus 12x, 15x. 15x minus 9x, 6x. The greater number sign is positive, so plus 6x. And then plus 36 move to that side, subtract, is it? Minus 36. Subtract 84 minus 36. 14. So 48. 6 8s are 48. So x equal to 8. X equal to 8. So breadth value is 8 centimeter. Breadth value is 8 centimeter. Now find out the length. So what we have considered the length? Length L is equal to x plus 9. So x value is 8. 8 plus 9. What we get? 17. Okay. Thus, the original length of rectangle is equal to 17 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Okay. Now move to the next one. 13th one. A streamer goes, okay, a streamer goes downstream from one station to another in 9 hours. It covers the same distance upstream is 10 hours. Okay, so upstream in 10 hours, downstream in 9 hours. Okay, if the speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour, suppose speed is given, okay, speed is given, distance we have find out. So what is the formula for distance? Speed into time. Speed into time. So time is given, stream speed is also given. You have to find out find the speed of the streamer. So what is the speed of the streamer? So we have using the formula distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So let the speed of the streamer be x. Streamer b x kilometer per hour. So speed of a stream is equal to given the speed of stream is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. Okay. Right. The first one. The downstream, is it? The steamer goes downstream from one station to another in 9 hours. So, the speed of the downstream we have considered x plus 1. Okay. Then the speed of downstream is equal to x plus 1 or 1 kilometer per hour. Okay, right. And upstream means minus. Okay, minus x minus 1 kilometer per hour. What is the formula? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So, according to the condition, okay, distance of downstream, okay, downstream equal to distance of upstream. So, what is the value of the downstream? X plus 1. Is it? Distance formula, speed, time. How many hours is given? 9 hours. Downstream from one station to another station is 9 hours. So, time, speed into time is equal to, next upstream. Upstream means the value of the speed is x minus 1. So, how many hours is given? 10 hours. How many hours is given? 10. Now, multiply 9x plus 9 is equal to 10x minus 10. So, 9x move to that side, x is here 9 plus 10. So, x equal to 19. X equal to 19 kilometer per hour. Okay, the speed of the steamer is equal to, thus the speed of the steamer is equal to 19 kilometer per hour. Okay, and last word problem. Rajiv and Suzail live in two cities, 310 kilometer apart from each other. Rendukulla distance enama 310 kilometers. They started at the same time to meet each other at the same some place. In between, the speed of Rajiv is 10 kilometer per hour more than the speed of the Suzail. After 3 hours, they are 40 kilometer away from each other. Find the speed of Raju and Suzail. Okay, find the speed of Raju and Suzail. So, what are the data given? Raju and Suzail live in two cities, 310 kilometer apart from each other. Rendu perukulla distance வந்து 310 is given. They started at the same time. ரெண்டு பேரும் கிளம்புறாங்க to meet each other at the some places. ரெண்டு பேருமே சில இடங்கள சந்திக்கிறாங்க in between that journey. Again, the speed of Rajiv is 10 km per hour. 1 hourக்கு வந்து எவ்வளோ ஸ்பீடில் போகிறாரு? 10 km ஸ்பீடில் போகிறாரு. Then the speed of Suzail விட 10 கிலோமீட்டர் என்னமா செய்கிறாங்க, ஸ்பீடாக போயிட்டுருக்காரு யார்? ராஜீவ். ஆஃப்டர் 3 hours 3 மணி நேரம் கழிச்சு தே ஆர் 40 கிலோமீட்டர் அவே ஃப்ரம் ஈச் அதர். ரெண்டு பேருமே எவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்காங்க? 40 கிலோமீட்டர் டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்காங்க. ஃபைண்ட் த ஸ்பீட் ஆஃப் ராஜு அண்ட் Suzail. Okay, see. So, example 14, right? Solution. So, what are the data given? the speed of the Susil, we have considered x. Okay, let speed of Susil, okay, Susil be x kilometer per hour. Okay, right. And next one, the speed of the Raj. Speed of Raj is equal to the speed of the Suzel plus 10. Why? The condition is given. As in, ரெண்டு பேருமே சேமா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றாங்க எல்லாம் ஓகே. The speed of Raj is 10 km per hour more than the speed. இவனை விட 10 km speed அதிகமாக யார் வரா? Raju. So we have add, okay, kilometer per hour. Understand the question? More than means we have to add. Okay, increased also we have add. Less or degrees we have subtract. Okay, so speed of the Raju is equal to x plus 10 kilometer. And then next, after 3 hours, after 3 hours, மூணு கழிச்சு, ஓகேவா, after 3 hours they are 40 km away from the each other. So first 3 hours கழிச்சு என்னமா செய்யணும், the distance. So time into, now only we have learned distance is equal to speed into time. So what you know the speed values, is it? So multiply the time. How many hours? 3 hours. So multiply. Okay, so distance. Directly write the answer. Here write only this formula, speed into time. Okay, so now multiply by each term by 3. Okay, so distance of Suzel is 3x kilometer per hour, and then distance of Rajiv is 3 times of x plus 10 kilometer per hour. Right? Right. Now according to this statement, according to the condition, okay, they are 40 km apart and the total distance between the city is 310. So distance between these two cities, how many distance, how many kilometers? 310 kilometers are given. Okay, and 40 km apart. So plus we have, apart means adhigama evlavu 40 km. So we have add with these two statements. So what is that? 3x plus 3x plus 10 a part of 40 kilometer, is it? Part of 40 kilometer, and then this distance of the city is 310. Now simplify. 3x plus 3x plus 30 plus 40 equal to 310. Now add these values. 6x plus 70 equal to 310. So 6x is equal to 310 minus 70. So 310, 70, 0, 11. So 230 by 6. So how many times is possible? 40. 6 4s are. So x equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, so x value we have denote the speed of the Suzel. Now we have find out the speed of the Roger. So x plus 10. So 40, yes, 40 plus 10. So 50 kilometer per hour. Thus speed of the Susan is 40 kilometer per hour, and then speed of the Rajiv is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, so examples problems completed. They related of linear application of linear equation. I hope you are understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.